Hey guys, how's it going? Today's video we're going to do a quick walk around of the E30 build. We have a little less than a month till Bimmerfest. Hoping to make it and bring the E30 down. So do a quick build update. Builds on some Moat GI wheels. Do not know if I'm saying that correctly. They came off a donor car and they look decent for now. Classic Euro parts, kidney and Euro grills, looking great. Let's look at the interior. Interior is pretty bare at the moment. Wiring is complete, just needs to be tucked. Paint is extra dirty, but looks great in sunlight. I do have some Braum Racing suede seats that are gonna look fire. I do need some seat brackets, so Braum, hit me up. Flock dash, flock center console, NRG Quick Release and hub. eBay wheel for now, that'll get replaced. Let's check out the engine bay. Again, wiring needs to be tucked. So for the engine bay, motors on a stand inside, we'll go look at that in a moment. Mishimoto heat wrap for the firewall. Chase bays, brake booster delete, and clutch line. So no power brakes, no power steering. For the Garagistic power steering delete plug. Again, wiring needs to be tucked and plugged into everything, but it's coming together. So let's go look at the engine. Here's the engine, pretty clean. Just did new paint on the bolt holes as they were rusting. A little bit of overspray, but not a big issue. Garagistic motor mounts. New exhaust manifold bolts or studs are coming from ECS. Just did new spark plugs. Still need to do timing, but I got to get the crankshaft bolt out first so I can do a front main seal and do the intermediary gear seal as well. Wrinkle black valve cover and intake manifold with shaved lettering. Looks pretty clean. Also got to do a rear main seal. Going to try to have an update video each Monday until Bimmerfest. I wanted to give a massive shout out and thank you to Mishimoto and Garagistic for sponsoring the builds, and a special thank you to James over at ECS for always hooking it up with parts.